In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refine your Shopify settings to ensure smooth checkouts for your customers. Let's make this easy and straightforward as we go, so just follow along with me for the next few minutes. First, let's head to your Shopify dashboard by navigating to My Store within the Shopify admin panel. Once you're on the home page of your store, look towards the bottom left of the screen where you'll see the Settings option. Give that a click. The settings area is your control center for various aspects of your store, and today we're going to specifically focus on customizing your checkout process. Now that you're in the settings, let's move over to clicking on Checkout. This section allows you to personalize what information you gather from your customers at the checkout and how they proceed through to finalize their purchases. You'll notice various options here, but let's start by selecting Don't Include beside the email opt-in. This option is particularly useful if you prefer not to automatically subscribe customers to your marketing emails during checkout, which can help ensure you're aligning with privacy preferences and avoiding potential unsubscribes later on. The next step is to look at the Shipping Address Phone Number field. Click on Don't Include here as well. This choice makes input optional, simplifying the process for customers and potentially reducing cart abandonment due to lengthy forms. Following this, you should see an option to decide if you want to use the shipping address as the default billing address. Here, it's generally advisable to click on Manage how you collect shipping and billing addresses. By doing this, you're ensuring that you offer a seamless option for customers who may need to enter different addresses for shipping and billing, which can be important for gifts or corporate orders. As we move to the last option, click on Don't use shipping address as billing address by default. By selecting this, you're giving your customers the freedom and flexibility to specify different addresses without having to backtrack on a pre-filled default, which can improve their checkout experience significantly. Once you've gone through each of these steps to tailor the checkout process to best fit your business needs, click on Done to save all the changes. This makes sure that all your adjustments are recorded and active on your Shopify store immediately. This easy-to-follow guide helps you customize your checkout process. It creates a smoother, quicker experience for your customers, potentially resulting in higher conversion rates. Adjusting settings to enhance user convenience speaks volumes about your attentiveness towards customer satisfaction. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and I hope to see you in the next video for more useful tips on navigating your Shopify store. Happy selling!